In this video, we're going to look at how to set up a bulk SMS message. At some point, your client may want to send out a promotional message to their list, so this is how we can do it. But before you do that, please bear in mind that for each SMS message that goes out for that particular list, you will use 1 credit. So if you are using this system just for reviews and you've used up all your credits or nearly used all your credits, obviously you're not going to be able to send out a bulk message. So you would need to upgrade or purchase extra credits, which obviously you would charge your client for. To do that, please contact us via our support desk, which is the links on the left hand menu bar, and we will then update your account to add in those extra messages. So to send out a message, we'll click on the message section link and then send bulk SMS message. We can choose to send by group or by contact only. In other words, a particular person in a particular group. For this example, we're going to send out to a group. We can choose more than 1 group. So if I selected the demo one, and then if I wanted to select Joe's Pizzas as well, I would select the control key on my keyboard and then click on the next list I want to send out this message to. This example, I'm going to send out just to the one, or this one here, I should say it's only 1 person on that list. I can schedule the time, the date and time to send it out. If I don't select that, then it will be sent immediately. So we need to choose a message template. If you don't want to do that, you can send out or type in your message below. For this example, I'm just going to choose the XYZ Doctors template. As you can see, it automatically adds in that template into the message field. You can add an image or a file to an SMS message, but please bear in mind you will be charged 5 credits for each file that is sent out via an SMS message. So if your client was trying to send out a voucher for their list for a special offer, then what I would do is I would upload that voucher image to your web server. I would create a short link, which you can do in the message section. Click on short link, add it to a bit.ly link, and then add that to your particular message. When the customer gets the message and taps on the link, they will see the image of the voucher and then show that to your client when they're trying to claim their discount for that particular offer. We have also added the ability to spin your messages. If you had a large list, so for example, if Joe's Pizzas had 5,000 subscribers, then you might find that your messages are getting blocked by the cell phone carriers in the particular country you are using. The reason they do that is because they want to stop any spam messages going out to lots and lots of people. So by spinning the message, you can change the actual message that goes out to your subscribers. Now to do that, the spin tags to use, if I open this Word document, I've made it slightly larger for you, is if you've never used spin messages before, you can select words within a spin syntax, and then our software will automatically pull out in random one of those words there. So for example, it could be hello to you, and the next text that goes out could be hola to you. And to do that, you use the open curly bracket to open the spin syntax, use a closed curly bracket to close it off, and then between each of the variations you add the pipe. So it's open curly, one selection, then the pipe message, and then the next variation, etc. Please make sure if you have an open bracket to open the spin syntax that you also have a closed. Now, one thing you do not want to do is you do not want to copy directly from Microsoft Word and paste it into your message field. It does copy across characters. Now, if I go to the tool section, you will see there's a non-GSM character checker, which I've got open on this page. I'll just do that here. You can paste your message into there, and then our system will check for any non-specific characters. So be careful not to copy and paste your SMS message from applications like MS Word, Outlook, etc. But it can insert non-GSM characters or Unicode characters in the message. Now what will happen is, if you had one there, for example, then you'll be charged 1 credit for that part of the message, and then our system will then charge you another credit for that part of the message. So therefore it would split up your SMS message, and you would charge them more than 1 credit. So please, whatever you do not copy directly from Microsoft Word. What I would do, I would open up a text document like Notepad, type in your message, and then copy it out of that Notepad directly into the field here. So you can spin your messages, as I said, to vary the actual message that goes out to your subscribers list. We have the stop to end, which goes out on the end of each message. Please ignore the rotate through your long codes, because you've only got one long code telephone number, so you cannot rotate through that. You can throttle the amount of text messages that go out per second. So the longer between each message, the more chance of your message getting out to all your subscribers for your client. So you can send one message every 1 second, every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds. Personally, I used to, if I've got a large list of, let's say, 500 or more, I would choose 3 to 4 seconds between each text message that goes out, just to make sure that the carriers do not block my message. I would also spin my message to make sure, again, there's lots and lots of different variations. Once you've done that, now I'm just going to choose, it's the 12th today, I'm going to choose Tuesday the 13th for this message to go out at 14:50. If I click on send or save message, and then you can see there it's been scheduled. If I go to the actions link on the right hand side, I can view a group message or a contact message. So view group schedule message, and as you can see there, I've now got the message that's due to go out on that particular date and time there. So that's how you set up an SMS message to send out to your clients list.